guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. It's love in the air literally with Valentine's Day just around the corner. So this Valentine's Day I'm quite literally giving probably 2-3 of my most favorite people on earth with this amazing watch by Danielwellington. Now this is one brand that does not need any introduction in my opinion. From the time I got their watch, which is the iconic link watch, I have reviewed it in full detail. I'll leave a link over here, an iCard over here so that you can go ahead and watch it if you want to. It is an amazing watch. This particular watch also featured on my favorites list. So this watch I would say is a modern take on a very classic design. It's a very classic piece and I love those classic pieces. That goes with everything and I would want to kind of splurge on just one watch and keep that for every occasion. And I think this is one watch that not only can you wear it very gracefully to your office, to your college, wherever you work, but I think this is one watch that you can also, pair with a lehenga. This is such a versatile watch and it is so beautiful. It also comes in a beautiful shiny silver color one as well. And this is also a unisex watch. It's a very versatile watch. I simply love the finish of it. So Danielwellington actually comes up with really cool designs, but one thing which is consistent in all their designs would be the factor of minimalism, and something that I personally gravitate to very much. And this is one such watch which I would highly recommend. The silver watch has a very vibrant silver finish and the rose gold one has a very beautiful refined rose gold plating. This is a metal which is not going to get spoiled if you're worried ki metal kharab ho jayega ya iska color chala jayega. Nothing of that sort. It is going to stay the same for years and years to come, So I think this is going to be the number one thing that you can actually gift to your loved one this Valentine's Day. A beautiful, sophisticated, minimal but yet very classy Danielwellington watch. Apart from that, Danielwellington also has a lot of bracelets, beautiful unique designs, simple designs, silver bands with gold or rose gold bands, and these are really good quality, solid, very beautiful, vibrant, sparkling steel, that will definitely add as a beautiful layer, as a beautiful accessory to the watch that you wear. So I had this bracelet which I got with this particular watch. This is in the smaller variant, but they also come in a lot of sizes. So as per your wrist, you can definitely get your size. There are a lot of sizes in the rings as well. So those were the two very beautiful things. Now comes the really beautiful piece. Today I'm going to show you one really beautiful bracelet which Danielwellington has actually launched for Valentine's Day specifically, and I think it is such a beautiful piece. So every piece, be it the watch or the bracelet or the rings, come in this really beautiful matte packaging. So this is the outer part. You just remove the packaging and here is the box. It's a very sturdy box. I keep it to store the products, like I store my watch in the box that it came in. I love the gold writing, Danielwellington over here, very simple, very minimalistic. And here is this beautiful bracelet, of course a little out of place, but this is the bracelet. This is the smaller one which is like a thin band, which I feel is really nice because I already have a thicker band, so I wanted to go for something which is like thin. It's beautiful rose gold and the finish, oh my god, it is sparkling rose gold. It is a beautiful solid steel, with rose gold plating, very refined in quality. Not only does it look very pretty from outside, it kind of shines if you wear it. It just shines so much and adds a lot of sparkle. It's a beautiful bracelet. But the best part and the best touch to this beautiful bracelet is that in the interior part, it has an I love you engraved. So this is going to be a perfect gift if you want to give it to someone you love so much and you keep them very close to your heart. Give them this bracelet. It is going to be a constant reminder of your love. It is such a beautiful, a timeless piece. I would highly recommend you this beautiful bracelet, and the best part is that it is unisex, so you don't really have to worry ki kisko kya de. You can just pick this up in your size and you're good to go. It's a beautiful piece and everybody's going to love it. I simply love it so much, and just throwing this bracelet with the watch just completes the outfit and it takes the outfit to the next level, I just feel like. And I feel like for Valentine's Day, Danielwellington has done the best job. They have come up with this really thoughtful bracelet with I love you engraved inside. It's very beautiful. Only you can feel the love and only you can see the love. So I think that's really thoughtful. So my favorite piece has to be this beautiful iconic link watch. in the rose gold variant with this really beautiful I love you bracelet, which is so cute. And yes, I would definitely like to remind you that if you're purchasing anything from Danielwellington store or from their website, do not forget to use my coupon code, which I'll give on the screen. This will give you instant 15% off, and it's going to be a big deal, guys. I'm not really making any profit if you use my coupon code, but I think 15% is actually a massive discount that you can avail on Danielwellington products, be it their watch, their ring, their bracelet. You can use this coupon code either in the store or on their website, so that's all good there. So I hope you've liked the video. I hope now you're sorted in your head as to what you're going to give your loved one or your own self this Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day in advance, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take very good care of yourself. Keep happy, keep healthy, and keep smiling always. I love you all so much. Bye guys. Mwah.